ABC birds.
A.
A is for African grey parrot.
B.
B is for blue jay.
C.
C is for Cardinal.
D.
D is for duck.
E.
E is for egret.
F.
F is for flamingo.
G.
G is for goldfinch.
H.
H is for heron.
I.
I is for ibisbill.
J.
J is for Jabiru.
K.
K is for Kingfisher.
L.
L is for Lyrebird.
M.
M is for Macaw.
N.
N is for Nightingale.
O.
O is for owl.
P.
P is for pigeon.
Q.
Q is for quail.
R.
R is for rooster.
S.
S is for sparrow.
T.
T is for toucan.
U.
U is for Ultramarine Grosbeak.
V.
V is for vulture.
W.
W is for woodpecker.
X.
X is for Xantus hummingbird.
Y.
Y is for yellow warbler.
Z.
Z is for zebra finch.